Welcome students to our tutorial video on how to create a 3D model of a hill landform. During this instructional video, you will be guided by your tutors Joel Emery, Sunil Chute, Rachel Abraham, and Chantel Richardson. We will begin by looking at the resources needed to create your 3D model.
1 roll of foil paper, 1 roll of masking tape, 1 scissors, 1 sheet of cardboard,
1 bottle of glue or a glue gun if possible.
Step 1. Cut out a sturdy base of cardboard that is wider than the size you want your finished hill to be. Suggested size 24 cm by 24 cm.
Please ensure your measurements are accurate and lined straight as possible. Be sure to draw along the 4 edges of your cardboard to create a square or rectangular shape. Using your scissors, you will then cut along the line you have just drawn.
Step 2. Crumple large sheets of aluminum foil, loosely shaped balls, to create a frame for a structure.
Please ensure your aluminum foil balls are not too big and can fit in the palm of your hands. When they are finished being rolled, place onto your freshly cut piece of cardboard.
Step 3. Shape the foil the way you want your hill to be shaped. Step 4. Glue the foil structure to the base, mounting it and forming it by adding more foil if necessary until you are satisfied with the shape.
This process is a repetitive one, as shown in the video. You will continue the process of adding aluminum foil balls onto your base structure. This will give rise to your 3D hill landform.
After drying, your 3D hill is complete.
To enhance the appearance of your project, you can add decorations. As seen in this video, a construction site theme is used.